Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth, honest reviews of trending products.
In today's video, we're diving into what we're calling the best balloon letter on the market right now. The 40-inch gold letter balloons by Lingqiang. Whether you're decorating for a party, sending a bold message, or adding that golden glam to your celebration photos, this balloon delivers. Let's get into it. Right out of the package, you're greeted with a massive 40-inch foil balloon shaped like the letter A. Though of course, you can choose any letter you need. Along with the balloon comes a small straw, which is used to inflate it. Now, you might be wondering, is inflating a 40-inch balloon a hassle? Not with this one. Thanks to its self-sealing design and wide inflation port, inflating it is incredibly easy. No need for a pump. You just insert the straw and blow. Want to use helium? You can. Prefer air? That works too. Either way, 90% inflation gives it full form while keeping it durable. Once inflated, you'll notice the quality immediately. This isn't your standard party store balloon. It's made from high-grade mylar foil, which means it's thick, shiny, and long-lasting. It's non-toxic, safe for indoor use, and won't deflate after a few hours. In fact, even after a full day of use, it retains its firmness and shape remarkably well. And if you're thinking of reusing it for another occasion, yes, it's fully reusable. Just use the straw again to deflate it gently, fold it up, and store it for next time. One of our favorite features? It's incredibly versatile. These balloons come with small holes pre-punched at the top so you can easily string them together to form names, messages, or party themes. Just order the letters you need and string them up for an instant, eye-catching banner. And because they're 40 inches tall, they stand out in photos, giving that extra pop to your celebration backdrop. Now, let's talk use cases. Birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, baby showers, graduation ceremonies, the list goes on. These balloons work perfectly as standalone photo props or as part of a larger decor plan. Whether you're hanging them on walls, floating them with helium, or simply using them as floor decorations, they add a golden sparkle and custom charm that feels personal and festive. Let's say you're celebrating a friend's milestone birthday. Imagine walking into a room with their name spelled out in these massive gold letters. It adds a level of thoughtfulness and wow factor that's hard to beat. Plus, it's an affordable way to make a big visual statement. And here's a nice touch from the seller. They include a satisfaction guarantee. If there are any issues, Lingqiang commits to resolving them within 24 hours. That shows confidence in their product and a dedication to customer care. So, who is this product perfect for? Anyone planning an event or photo shoot that needs bold, customizable decor. Party planners, photographers, event hosts, or even someone just looking to add a little extra sparkle to a celebration at home. To sum it all up, the Lingqiang 40-inch gold letter balloon is our pick for the best balloon letter in its category. It's affordable, durable, visually stunning, and most importantly, it delivers on its promises. Whether it's for a one-time event or multiple uses, it's a decoration that shines, literally and figuratively. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've used these balloons or have questions about them. We'll see you in the next review.